What's up, guys? We back with another one. Today we got something special. Today we're gonna be installing on a crew cab Dodge Ram. We're gonna be removing the old headlights. They're all burnt out, yellow. We're gonna be installing new headlights and new LED lighting. I want to send a special shout out to Auxito LEDs. They reached out to me, wanted to try some of their product. They have some really good LED lighting, so I'm gonna give my best and my honest review on these lightings, LEDs. So let's check it out. Want to give a big shout out to Auxito LED lighting. We're gonna be doing some LED lighting on this Dodge Ram. These ones have the built-in low and highs on these. These ones are going to be for my Sierra, which will be another video. It'll be one full video, but these ones are going to be for my turn signals. These ones have their high brightness, long lifespan, and fast heat dissipation. These ones have the built-in relay, because mine's, what it does is it activates it and then it sends a signal out to my dash and it says a failure, but they still turn on. These ones have a built-in relay in them, so these ones are going to be real good. Hopefully it'll turn off the alert on my dash on it. But this is going to be the second part of the video. We're going to be installing these new headlights, amber delete. You can see these ones are burnt, really burnt yellow, and you can tell from right here how bad they are. I'm sure the lighting is not as good. He has a regular light bulb, so it's yellow with yellow light bulbs, so you'd be driving and there's a lot of yellow on the roadway. With these new LED lights, everything is I believe is a 6065K LED bright, so it's going to be a bright white, hyper white, which is going to help the lighting on this Dodge Ram for the night. So we're going to install these headlights, install the lights. We are going to have to wait till the sun goes down so we can get some video of it, of the lighting on it. Alright guys, we got the lights installed. I'm going to go ahead and remove them just to show you on the back side of it the new headlight. As you can see, it's got that amber delete. This thing is, it's going to look real good, and then plus the LEDs are going to shine through real good. So what I'm going to end up doing, I changed it up a little bit. So we did end up getting the LEDs for the headlights, but we did not get the ones for the turn signals. So this originally is an amber, so it had a clear lens, a clear one, which is this one here, but we can't stick this back in there because it's going to make it turn yellow. This whole thing will turn like a yellowish clear because it doesn't have the amber lead. So the lights that I got for my Sierra, we're going to go ahead and use them on this truck, and then I'll just go ahead and order some more for mine. But that way we can get one video out of this truck. And I ended up putting the ambers. So what it is, it's an amber and a white flashback. So when it turns the signal, it'll flash amber, and then when it's driving, it'll stay white. So it's gonna give it a real good look. Since I have them here, since I have them all off already, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. There's no way I'm gonna be putting an LED and then putting this light bulb back in there. Since I have the light bulb out, I'm just gonna stick those LEDs in them, and then it's the exact same number. It's a 3157 for these Dodge Rams here for this bottom amber turn signal. So it's gonna look real good. It's I'm gonna do both sides. I'll turn them on, see how everything looks, and then once it gets a little darker, I'll get some video of it. Alright guys, we got these are the 3157s, the turn signal, the amber and white that exchange when you turn the signal switch back. And then over here we got the bigger one, which is the 9008 or H3, H13. for the Dodge Ram. This just goes in, pop that in. Has a little red tab. Make sure you push that tab down. Tab is down. Turn it. That's it. Looks just like that. Now we're gonna pop it in. We'll use these little things. We'll end up going in here. That's what locks it in place. Alright guys, the install has been done. Obviously it's still light out, but these things are super bright, even in the daytime. Real bright. So I'm guessing at nighttime it's gonna be lit. So we're just gonna let it get a little darker. We'll get some video of it, and then we'll go ahead and turn it into the customer. Let's check out the light. Check it out. We got the emergency lights on. So they're switchbacks. These are real nice LEDs. They go from clear white to amber on turn signals. Real nice. Check it out. Super bright in the daytime. So I imagine at night it's gonna be lighting up real good. You'll be able to see him turning. Check it out guys, these things are badass. Super bright. I mean super bright. It's not even day, it's not even nighttime all the way, and these things are super bright. And that's the low beam. Check how that looks. All matching. Check that out. The amber, that is bright. Look at the reflection. Damn. So guys, I'm thinking these are real good quality. If you guys need to pick some up, I'll set the link down on the bottom. You guys can pick some up. These things are nice.